Hey, Nonna Pia.
Yes.
Who's that? Who's at the door?
Maybe a trick. Hey!
Nonna! I'm
You
here!
bring me Parmigiano?
Nonna! This time I have the treat, not the trick. This is all for you.
Oh, mommy. It's a lot of work.
A lot of work, but a lot of specific work.
Oh, you're forte.
Nonna can do it by herself, but I'm just here to facilitate.
That's a big treat, Nonna.
Thank you.
The piece in the center is for you.
Okay. Oh, mamma mia, quando fa di.
How beautiful,
Right?
right?
First. Oh, yeah, che buono.
Che profumo, vero? And we're gonna do your bread and the crostini. This is the new Halloween. Parmigiano Reggiano Treat, and the trick is in the bread.
Hey.
Bellissimo, I'm gonna move this, okay? This is a great idea, Nonna. With your bread, which honestly is the best in the world, we're gonna do something incredible here. But more Parmigiano, eh?
How is it, Nonna?
Buono. Buona pizza.
Yeah, thank you.
You're gonna cut in the corner and make a little slice. And then we do the shapes. Look how fun is this. Here, a Parmigiano Reggiano Treat.
Wow.
It's fun, right? And this you can do all year around. Now we do for Halloween. You know, it's full of nutrients, there's calcium, there's really a lot of good things for us. Guarda che belli. Così, vero? Then I take the shapes.
Yeah.
I put here the ghost. Don't be scared.
Yeah.
Okay?
No, non all'abba.
The pumpkin. And you know, all these little pieces, they go great here. Oh, mamma mia, beautiful bread.
This is a bread with Parmigiano Reggiano. We're going to put it back in the oven. It'll melt a little bit. It's good. You ready?
Yes, oven is hot. And I would say 6 minutes is fine. 6 minuti.
Si è squagliato già.
Sì, si è squagliato, is melting, look. Ah, fantastico.
If I do this, the kids are coming. Mamma
Yes, they're coming. One for you, one for me. Trick and treat.
mia. And God bless you.
And God bless all of us always. Grazie, Nonna.
Buono.
Buono, eh? Nonna, always good time together. And before I leave, I brought the letter from all of us. I want to read it for you.
Okay.
Dear Nonna Pia, I'm really remember when you were telling me your memory of heritage of Italian. Your passion for the culinary really inspires me and everybody who loves you home. Your energy makes the country and your kitchen the home of all of us. Grazie, Nonna. Grazie. Tesoro, grazie.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nonna.
Thank you.